Hello everyone, my name is 2Alejandra Vargas. I am studying industrial engineering, and this is the unit 1, step 2, comprehend intellectual property of the course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Okay, this is the map of difficulty marines, the requirements by Colombian companies to register their intellectual property. This is the obstacles or causes. Cause 1. Excessive processing time. 2. Lack of information on the benefits of obtaining this register. 3. Lack of novel ideas that are susceptible to obtaining records. This is the consequences for this. Aligning country law terms of state investment for sciences and technology. 2. Companies with lots of technology development. Okay, this is the recommendations. 1. It is the necessary creating uniform instruments between states for better examination of records. 2. Colombia must become a producer of IP, knowledge, and intangible assets, whose protection will be enforceable at the global level, precisely thanks to the intellectual property protection agreements. 3. Better legal structures that enable the sanction of merchants who misuse the symbol of registration without first acquiring a registration, such as those employing the immunosync distinctive different from the unread in the registry, since they devise the market, law and affects international credibility in a local entities. And 4. It says shall encourage the population to create inventions or scientific advance for the benefits of the community proportional to the economic benefits from, say, invention that show an advantage in the country. Thank you for your attention.